Ripot mar Bero ma otimne Ringre rawera Cecil ma bende nyocha ne onegi kanyendo e nyamburko mar jagoro mangirore e migawo nendo mar rowere manendo Fikrini Jacobsa oyango ni ne owito ngimane kaluwore kod lisasi ma bende ne ochiele godo kendo chopo nyaka e obo mare. Kaluwore koda jotim Bero motayo chenro machalo kamano kawuono niende kar kano ringre jomotho ma Chiromo giyango ni remo mathoth ne ochwera ma okelo tho mare ka bende wi magina kata lisasi nendo bende koro gigolo e ringre mare kendo gichwalo kanyendo ne duol mochung'ne nono wechege ko mag magina mar mondo mi koro ota chenro nendo mar timo nonro.
So we have done the postmortem of the late. We have done the postmortem as two pathologists, one representing the government and the other representing the family. And the conclusion is that he died as a result of a single gunshot wound to the left side of the chest, and there was a lot of bleeding inside the chest. There was internal bleeding, and that was the cause of death. We were able to retrieve the bullet head, which we have handed over for ballistic investigation to the IPOA group. Say something.
Hi, Dr. Media, and we've...
So we switch positions.
Yes, my name is Dr. Media, and as been explained, this was a gunshot wound to the chest with massive internal bleeding to the chest. And specimens, including the bullets, has been found, retrieved along the spine, behind the spine, and it has been submitted for ballistic investigations. Of course, other specimens have been taken so as to complete fully the investigations as per now. We hand over the investigative process to the authorities so as to complete the whole story. Thank you very much.
Perhaps how many injuries or wounds were found in the postmortem?
Well, externally, this was mainly a wound. This was a wound due to the bullet. The bullet entered to the left forearm around the elbow region, then went through and entered the chest, puncturing the lungs, and then through the spine, fractured the spine, and then was lodged behind the spine where we retrieved the bullet. Yes.
Would you say from experience, is it a close range or a long range?
This was a close range. We classify this as a near contact gunshot wound from what we found there.